What's up everyone? Daniel with DIY Tech. Sorry it's been a while since the last time I made a video, but I picked up this 87 Bronco 2 here, and I wasn't sure I wanted to make a video about it, but I kind of decided that why not? I'm just gonna do a kind of like a budget rebuild on it. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I think it might be something that a lot of you people are interested. So let's go take a look at it. All right, everybody, here it is, 87 Bronco 2. I actually picked this thing up for $200 from a tow yard. Somebody didn't pay their bill, and it's been sitting there for over a year, and they sold it to me. It's got a couple little issues here. Got a little bullet hole here, nice and friendly. Broken mirror, so I have to get that replaced. New tires, but I've been kind of working on it already. Like I told you before, I wasn't sure I wanted to make a video, but I decided I'm gonna do it. I'll show you some pictures of the things that I've done already. It's got a little broken grill there. I'm gonna have to fix these headlights. They're kind of wobbly in here. Other little things. This is not the original front end. And I got little dent here. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna get that out yet. I might do one of those weld on and puller kind of deals there. Like I said, this is gonna be a budget build, so I'm just kind of gonna go a cheap way of doing it. I'm gonna pull this out, sand this whole thing down. I think I'm gonna go with like an army green type. Other than that, it's in pretty good condition. A few things I've done already. I've actually cleaned up the wheels. They're super rusty. I'll show some pictures of that in here. I've taken the seats out and actually vacuumed and shampooed. You can't really tell a little. It's still got some dirt and stuff in here, but I've got a lot of it up. It doesn't smell in here anymore. The seats are actually in really good condition. Just a couple little spots here. I got the other seats in there. I'll show you in a second. Because this was at the tow yard, it was actually drilled out here, but I got a new key and lock set in that I installed, and she actually starts right up. Runs pretty good. Got a little bit of a hiccup there. But other than that, she runs really good, drives, nice four-wheel drive. So I'm pretty happy about this so far. Couple of things I gotta fix. Paint, got a bunch of rust up here. Coming over to the passenger side, I have a broken window here. I just kind of taped it up. I'm gonna have to get a new glass, but I found one for about 25 bucks, so that shouldn't be such a big deal. But no stereo, got some cut wires in there. The AC is disconnected. I'm thinking about doing a full AC delete and just have heat. Everything else works. Not really sure what this plug is yet. XLT, let's go look at the under the hood here. All right, and here it is, the 2.9 liter. See, I got the AC all disconnected. There's no Freon. The belt was actually on backwards for some reason, and it actually ended up snapping. I got some, I don't know if you guys can see down there, but I do have a lot of leaking from the valve cover, so I'm gonna, on both sides actually, you can see all that oil, and I actually have some dripping down here on the ground here, so I'm gonna have to probably do a replacement on that. Fixing up the battery, just little things here and there. Yeah guys, comment down below if you have any ideas of what I can do. Strictly going budget on this thing. Yeah, let me know guys. Comment down below, and like and subscribe if you want to follow along with all the more cleaning. I'm probably going to end up actually painting these black eventually. I don't really like chrome, but I really liked how well they cleaned up. You can still see a little bit of rust here. And then if you come over here, there's actually some rust and a little bit of, well, that's water spots, but lots of rust still needs to come off, but they actually cleaned up really well. I'm really interested what you guys think. Want to watch me do my paint job. I'm going to do a spray paint job. Maybe do a clear if I'm feeling frisky about it. Let me know what you guys think. Also, I forgot, actually, I was going to show you. Here's the other front seats here. I actually have them pulled out in here for the shampooing, but they're in really, really good condition. I got a little tear here. I'm also working on the spring here because if you lean back, it just keeps leaning back, and then you're just low ridering it. Not really my cup of tea there, but so that's it, guys. Yeah, if you like this kind of content and you want to follow along with the paint job and the fixing up and everything, go ahead and subscribe. Also, I got some other projects coming up. As you can tell, I really like dirt bikes, anything with a motor. We got some Coleman mini bike action. We got other little mini bikes in the works. I got a little two-stroke down there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, follow along, guys. Thanks.